It's Daisy and I'm back with another video. Today I have this gorgeous body wave wig. It's super long, it's 24 inches, and it's from a company called Sunber hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I styled this and installed this wig, make sure you stay tuned. Is the packaging you will receive if you're looking to order this wig and all the goodies that came with it. It's an adjustable strap if you're interested in that, and just a little pamphlet about the company and a wig cap in the black color. Now if you're looking to install your wig like me, you're gonna need at least a brown color wig cap. Now my first impressions of this wig is I really like the texture and I do like the lace. The only thing is that it is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so I did have to put some pressed powder in there. But if you're a lighter shade than me, this is perfect. If you are my color, a little darker, just keep in mind you may want to get a darker lace. Now this wig did come pre-plucked, but I did pluck it a little bit more and bleach the knots off camera. I did my own little customizing. You guys know how I do, especially if you're not new. But now we're gonna get into cutting off this lace. It was really easy, and you wanna make sure when you are cutting the lace, just do like zigzag motions so you're not having a straight line across your hair or your hairline, because you don't want it to look really wiggy. But it looks crazy like when you're looking at the wig from not having it on, but once you put the wig on, it makes sense, and you don't have like a straight line of lace. It's just a little bit of lace here, a little bit of lace there, and when you do your baby hairs, it all just comes together. So like I said, I did do some plucking off camera, but I do like to go back in and just pluck some of the spots that are a little thicker than others, because I really like a natural hairline. So the more you pluck, but you don't want to over pluck it, but you want to have some spaces in between your hairline, because when you do swoops, like if you look at your natural hairline, there is not hair like all over the place, at least mine, if that makes sense. Like there's a little bit of hair there, a little bit of hair in this corner. When you do the swoops, you just don't want hair everywhere. I hate a really thick hairline. That is just one of my pet peeves, and don't feel bad if you do, if you have a thicker hairline, because I used to have one. But really, the more you pluck, as long as you're not over plucking, the more natural your hairline looks. And I know you see a little white cast, that's from the glue, but once you style your baby hairs, once I'm done like cutting the hair, I use like a little damp cloth and I just wipe the hairline just a little bit, just dab it a little bit with water, and that little bit makes a difference. So don't freak out if you install it and have a little bit of white cast. And then also when you style your baby hairs with some mousse, it like takes all of that color away and just melts everything as well. I'm using a wand curler to curl my hair. I found this wand curler in, I think it was Marshall's, and I can't remember the exact name, but I love it. It just makes my curls come out bomb. I know the hair looks a little bit crazy right now because, to be honest, when I do my hair, it's just a lot is going on, and this hair was so long. It was just like all over the place. Like it was crazy, but it's like a good thing, but a bad thing when I'm styling it, because it was like I had to move the hair here, move hair there. I want to do a swoop, so it was all in my face. But the end result was popping, okay? So it is worth it. Just know if your girl's looking a little crazy while like hair looking all over the place, it comes together. It's a lot of work. So here is the final result. I love this wig. It's super long. It takes the curls really well. Like, I use bigger sections and it's still curled and it looks amazing. It's really flowy. We have the 13x6 parting space and we got a natural hairline. Everything just came together flawless, and your girl's slaying, hunty. What can I say? I put in that work. I'm crazy, y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for Sunber Hair for sending me this hair. And until my next video, deuces.